Hey guys, this is NHRA 1975. It's November 16th, 2018, and as you can tell, winter has arrived. Lots of snow. So anyways, I'm going to have to get out there and do the lane and whatnot. Taking some time off here, so at least I don't have to worry about this getting back and forth to work, and I can just kind of hibernate today and do stuff inside. Maybe even work on the Monty, but I guess the thing is I haven't really given any updates on what happened to the old engine. So I'm gonna make this a little just video and show some quick pictures of what happened. Pretty much the whole thing, a lot of it was not usable. The block, the crank, the the camshaft wasn't usable. The block would have to be machined pretty heavily, aligned, honed, new, rebored out, and there was just a lot of damage. So the only really usable components, major components, were the cylinder heads. So yeah, so basically what I did do was buy another engine, and it's a 482 big block Chevy, square port heads, big roller cam, definitely more of a race oriented engine. So I'll show some pictures of that as well. Just want to thank any new subscribers I have, and thank you again. And yeah, I'm just enjoying this channel, and I'm never gonna have 1,000 subscribers and make any money, but it's sort of a way I can monitor how I'm doing with all my projects and look back on things. So anyways, yeah, just thought I'd give a little update on the engine since I never really did. So anyways, here's some pics and some brief explanations of what happened and what will be happening. Talk to you later.